What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're going to be installing some real carbon fiber onto my Toyota Tacoma. I'm super excited for this because this is actual real carbon fiber. It's not a sticker, it's not a wrap, anything like that. So let's go ahead and get into the install. I'll show you how it looks, how it works, and pretty much what it is. Let's do it. Alright you guys, so what we're going to be installing today is going to be a gas cap holder. It's nothing too crazy, but it does add a final touch, just it being your own truck. So let me go ahead and show you guys how it's done. So it's really easy. All you're really going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and maybe like a minute or two. Come on closer and I'll show you guys. So you're going to notice, of course, on the Tacomas, there is a way to actually hold it. I'm not going to lie. So you can actually sit it like this, but it looks plain and boring and it's kind of a little bit sometimes hard to kind of get it over there. So it doesn't look that good. Let's put that away. And this thing is actually going to be installing right here. And it's going to be a lot easier because when you open it up, you can go ahead and insert it there and leave it just like that. As you can tell, it looks really good. So let me go ahead and get into the install and show you guys. First things first, you're going to notice right here, there is a little Phillips head screw or bolt, whatever you want to call it. You want to go ahead and unscrew that. I'll be honest, if it's your first time removing this screw or bolt, whatever you want to call it, it is going to be a little bit tough. So take your time on it and remove it. Super simple. So once it's off like this, now you want to go ahead and get your actual Tufskinz gas hole holder. And if you guys do end up wanting to purchase it, it's going to be in the description box below. Super affordable. So I don't have anything to clean with, but you're going to notice right here there is a red type of tape. You remove it, it's double-sided tape, that's all it really is. You want to go ahead and actually clean this off with alcohol. Unfortunately, I don't have any with me right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down with my finger as best as possible. Just like that, just to kind of remove all the dirt, debris, anything stuck in there. Generally, get some alcohol, wipe it really good. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and just kind of line it up. Get the screw. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it real quick. Just like that. Nothing too hard about this. And then you want to go ahead and tighten it down. Make sure it's nice and straight. Give it some firm pressure on the opposite side. You want to make sure that it bonds to the paint. Now you can tell it ain't going anywhere. And it looks really good. And now whenever you're at the gas pump, you don't have to worry about this strap anymore. You just go ahead and insert it just like that. I know over time this strap is probably going to break away from there, but your gas cap will maybe probably still work. So of course this is really going to help for you. So you can go ahead and insert it, just leave it there. Looks awesome, looks great. Either way, it still works. But as I stated, I prefer this method. It looks good and it works. This video, of course, was really quick, really easy to do. If you guys do end up wanting to purchase yours, it looks really good. It's going to be in the description box below. Don't forget, it's really affordable. I also wanted to let you guys know, make sure to stay tuned to the upcoming video. I'm going to be giving away multiple prizes, so it's going to be a really big giveaway. And the prizes that I'm giving away in that video, you guys are really going to like them, trust me. Especially if you guys are into off-roading or camping. There's a lot of good prizes on there. If you guys want help building your truck, you guys are going to also like it. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. I'll go ahead and name it maybe Christmas giveaway or something like that. So stay tuned for it. It's going to be multiple winners, multiple prizes. You guys are going to love it. So if you guys do like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.